Hi everyone. New update for the chatbot menu builder for Chatwoot. The new set of processes a lot simpler for new users. So we hope you like the new experience. All you have to do now is configure your Chatwoot API token. So by landing on this page upon just registering, then you can just go to the Agentbot, which is specified there, then click on configure credentials. It is going to give you some details on what you need to add. So this is your Chatwood instance. In case you have just a self-hosted version, then you have to go grab your self-hosted URL and paste that into the config. Next is just the account ID. If you don't know what the account ID, that's the number you see in the URL. So you see accounts and then there will be a number. So we can just grab that and type in their API access token, which you can get from your profile settings and access token. So we'll go to Chatwood and go to preferences, their profile settings, and copy that. This is stored safely, so don't be afraid. And it isn't even shown when you paste it in. You can save configurations now, and that'll set up your account. So what this is doing is bringing up anything that you currently have set up in your Chatwood instance. So this is just pulling any agent bots that you have. So if we were to go back to settings in Chatwood and we click on the agent bots, then you can see Facebook wanna go staging bot test. We can just delete this one just for testing. So that should be that's in here. But if you just refresh that, should be gone now. We'll take a look at that. So the staging one is already gone. If you don't have any, then this is just going to be empty and you can create an agent bot in here. So we can just do a demo, uh, a live demo agent bot. And this is optional. The webhook URL, you don't have to paste it in. This is just for management later. We take care of that in the backend. So this is going to be auto-populated for you. So you can just simply click create. That'll create the agent bot that's going to be used later on. So just leave it there, and then we can see that right there at the bottom. So we have that ready. You can head over to all inboxes, which is the place where you want to go to. And again, this is just auto-populated from your Chatwood instance. So if we go to inboxes, we can see all of our inboxes in here. Um, this is just a placeholder for you to identify which inboxes you have. At the moment, we don't have anything set up, and then we can just create a menu, right? So the menu is what you're after. So by creating a menu, and we're just gonna do that for the website, maybe. As a matter of fact, just for this, the chatbot builder. So we can take a look. So create a menu. This will create a menu configuration for the chatbot builder inbox that's connected to your chatbot, right? So that's it. We can add an option in here, and that's option one. And let's add another one, option two. And we'll do just a sub menu, add another one here. So option three sub, and then sub three. And we have that there. We can add another one, sub, and it should be it. So we have a sub menu and just a parent menu. So if we do that, we should see that in there we are now looking at the sub menu options, and we can go back. All right. So that's working, we can hit save. Um, you can of course configure the chatbot messages here. There are some already pre-populated options. You can just modify that. But as you hit save, you can just go back. You'll see that there's a menu already active for the inbox you selected. And now all we have to do is just assign a an agent bot, right? So we created one, which is the live demo agent bot there. So that's going to get assigned, sign in, and you can refresh. Now you can see that's assigned. So by going to Chatwood, you can just confirm. So that's the chatbot builder. Um, we can see that the live demo agent bot that was actually just updated, and we can give it a test. So that's just the processor for your incoming messages. I already have one that's working for this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and assign that back and hit refresh just to make sure. There you go. And if we hit refresh in here, then we should see that, that's already assigned in there. So it is straightforward. You already have what you were looking for, and then you can just start playing around with editing your menu. This is already connected, so we can, hey, we can take a look at that. And that says option 1 and 2, which is what we currently have. So if we hit option 2, that gives us the sub menu that we see in there, 3 and 4 sub. And if you hit that, then that is just going to give you a response for the text, as you can see here. And if you type menu, that should take you back to that. But you want to navigate back, so you can hit back. And you can also specify different options. So you see we navigated back to the top parent of the top level of the menu. So it's a nice way of just creating a menu, and it's a very simple process of just setting it up without any of uh, like hard configuration steps and follow through a difficult process. So